Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to be doing a cleaning video. What else I'm going to do? I honestly don't remember. I can't remember how I edited this video. But I'm going to start off in the kitchen. That's just my favorite go-to starting spot. Once the kitchen is done, then I know I can tackle the rest of the house. But yeah, the kitchen is definitely the one I have to start off first. And then I think I clean the dining room, I'm not sure. But it's a cleaning video, and I put a little bit of what is it called? Like a wallpaper backsplash in my kitchen. I still don't got my kitchen cabinets done painted, but that will be soon, hopefully. But let's just get into the video and see where it goes from here. Notice the dog scratching on my back door or my front door. I don't know why I call it the back door, but that is my sister's dog. She lives right next door, and when he gets off his little leash, when they let him outside to go potty, sometimes he breaks off of it and runs over here and wants to come in my house. But he tries to come in, then he wants to mark his little territory everywhere, and yeah, that's not happening. So Hunter's kind of messing with the dog, but kind of teasing him. But I'm pretty sure Hunter took him back home after a little bit. Kitchen faucet. Also, I hate this one. It is, I don't know. I just don't like it. It shows every little fingerprint, every little splash of water. But I do have a new one, but the lines are a lot different than what I have already, so I have to get different parts to connect. Well, I ain't doing it. My dad is gonna do it. But yeah, it has to have different lines. They're like really thin. I don't know, but they have to be switched up or something like that. And I just haven't been anywhere. Or if I do go, then I forget to get the stuff. But I do have a new faucet. It just hasn't been put in yet.
It's another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them.
This is Hunter's room. He usually keeps it pretty clean. He doesn't really leave, usually, too much stuff laying around, but I guess he did this time. He left quite a bit of stuff. So I'm just coming in here and picking it up. He really appreciates it whenever I clean his room. He always says thank you. He came home from school really excited that his room was clean. I remember when my mom would clean my room, it was just, I don't know, it's a different feeling whenever you clean it. You know, it looks good, but when your mom comes in there and does it, I don't know. My mom always made it look a lot nicer than what I ever did. So I know he appreciates it, so that's why I do it. I don't always clean his room. I usually tell him to do it, and he'll pick stuff up. Scarlett, on the other hand, she will, if I help her, then she will do it, if that makes sense. If I say, hey, just go clean your room. I mean, sometimes she will if she's in a good mood. If she's grabby, I don't even try. But I think I go after this, I go and I clean her room. They're both at school, so I figured they like to come home to clean bedrooms.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. Can we just slow down?
So these carpets in here, they're pretty nasty. I remember when I was a kid, they were pretty gross here. And like I said, if you're new, if you're just now watching this, this is the house that I lived in for the longest as a kid. And then I ended up getting it. I lived literally right across the street. I'll have to maybe put a clip in. I'll show you where I could see out my window to my old house. I just lived in the trailer. But yeah, I got our old house, and it has the same carpet. Old, you know, this house did sit empty for a few years, so it kind of had a musky smell when we moved in it. It's kind of going out. I've been trying to paint everything. That's why I'm painting the cabinets, the inside of the cabinets. Every single room's going to be painted. Closets are going to be painted. Everything's going to be painted. But right now, new carpet's not in the budget, so I'm just going to shampoo these carpets as much as I can just to make them smell a little fresh. I know they're not going to look the greatest because they're old. But, oh, here I am in Scarlett's room. I just kind of threw all of her toys in the corner here because we're going to go through all of her toys. And I'm not going to put them up because we're going to go right back through them. So, she's really good about getting rid of her toys. I'll tell her we're going to donate them to, you know, a place in town so other kids can, you know, play with them. Or if we know someone who needs toys, we'll give them to them. But she's usually really good about getting rid of her toys and stuff that she don't want anymore, which is very helpful. But yep, I just picked up her room, and that's about it for her room. I mean, just pick up some toys and just vacuum, and I made her bed off camera, but she don't really go in here. You know, I thought with getting a 3-bedroom house that she would actually want to go in here, but she don't really ever go into her room. The only reason why it's ever a mess is if her cousins come over and they play. Usually that's when it gets kind of messy. They usually know to pick up most of their toys, so it ain't a big deal. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up, and that's about it.
ticking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us.
All right, so right here I am just getting my walls ready to put this wallpaper down. I got the spray adhesive because I don't know if this can be a permanent option. I would like to be able to remove it pretty easily. So I got some kind of spray adhesive and it sticks pretty good, but I think I could peel it off if I want to easily. What was I gonna say? Because later on I think I want an actual backsplash, but this will do for now. I want to break up the whites and everything, and I think this made it look a lot better. So yep, that's pretty much it right now. My hair usually looks bad, but it looks even worse right now because it got rained on and I came in here and did this. And my hair always looks like a rat ball after it gets wet. So, sorry, that's what you guys gotta look at. It's my nappy hair.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down.
And here's what it looks like right now. I think it looks 100 times better. So I have a lot of work to do in here, but it's getting there slowly. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.